in complex. Well, this is my personal thing. I get blister on my lips every time season change, and winter to spring, fall to winter, 2 times every year. But the I took this. Somebody telling me, why don't you took the vitamin B complex? Then I think it was the year and a half, 2 years, it stopped. Imagine, when I when I was teenager, every 2 time is the really, when I have a blister, my lips, I wanna go to outside, what younger age, But now this is the really very good. When I go to the pharmacy, I put it in, but just for the what lip blister, what kind of what uh tube, it's gonna be more than $22. This is $22 and 14,000 PV. This is the very good. I recommend it to vitamin B complex. It's good. I love it. I took every day 90 capsule, so 30 months. I mean 3 months. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Star Master Joseph. Ayan, napakaganda ng B-complex natin. Of course, for the energy. Okay. So, sa lahat ng may letter B, cross it out sa inyong table. Sayang wala akong tawag dito. Wala akong B. Okay. Are you using it? Would you like me to call V or B? B complex or vitamin B complex? Which letter you want me to do, Star Master Joseph?
Be like a boy.
Oh, be like a boy. Okay, guys, be like a boy. Okay, that's the letter. So for B, okay. Para sa inyong household, I would say, buy what you need. Diba? Buy what you need. This is a system, an online shopping mall, a platform that will not force you to buy what you don't need. So, if i-browse lang yung website, yung online shopping mall, kung ano yung kailangan nyo, yun lang ang bibilhin nyo. Okay? For for yourself, para sa mga gustong mag-change ng mindset, I would say, believe that you own a $1 billion business. O, di ba? Daig mo pa si SM, daig mo pa si Pure Gold, daig mo pa ang Macy's. Kasi, you have this online shopping mall na global, you have 56 countries that pwede nang i-deliver yung products, but you don't have to worry about yung shipping. Basta bibigyan mo lang sila ng access and then the company will take care of everything. Even yung sa commissions or sa payout, the system will take care of it. So wala ka ng problema doon. And then for the leaders, I would say build your binary consumer group. Okay, build your binary consumer group. So, isa yun sa mga requirement kasi if you are not building, so that means if you are not sharing Atomy and you don't have a consumer on the left group or on the right group, you will not get the passive income and you will not get a cashback. So, yung B. And let me see kung anong sinabi ni AI sa B. Yep, same thing. Build your binary group. Introduce Atomy to two-person. Very simple, right? So, yun lang. Okay, next letter on the list. Okay, SM Elena. Anong letter po? Oh, by the way, products, other products that starts with B, we have the beauty products, that's acceptable. We have B complex. We have BB cream. We have beauty and personal care basket. And we have beauty water, the 3 seconds beauty water. And then we have the body lotion. So, yun yung mga letter B products ng Atomy. Okay, SML na, anong letter po?
Letter L, lutein. Ito po ay malaking tulong sa akin sa mata kasi maliliit yung ugat natin sa mata. Kailangan nating magbitamina. Kailangan ito ay luminaw talaga yung mata ko sa pamamagitan ng lutin. Nagsasalamin lang po ako para tulong lang ito, pero malinaw po ang mata ko. Kaya letter L, lutin, at Ma'am Liling Tibayan, ito po yung explain kanina, yung eternal patches. Ito po talaga ang tinatanong niya sa akin kanina. Ito po yon. Meron po ako dito, pwede kayong bumahagi. Okay po, thank you po.
Thank you, SM Elena. Ayan. Ethereal patch is not available sa Philippines, pero pag uwi ko po sa mga gusto, message lang, magdadala po ako. Okay, letter L. Lutein. Wow, okay. Mas malinaw talaga ang mata ni Mudra kesa sa akin. Imagine that. Pero naglulutin din ako. So, sa mga baguhan, of course, anong action pwede natin i-take for the letter L? Love the products, okay? Kailangan love the products. Sa mga leaders, learn that, para sa inyong sarili, kung bago kayo or first time, learn the tools for success. Kasi meron kayong website, meron kayong channel Atomy, may mga YouTube. So, learn the tools, okay? Learn the tools. The products actually are your tools for success as well. And then for the leaders, we have to say, lead your team. Okay? Yun yung ating action. Take action for 2025. Love the products, learn the tools for success, and then lead your team. And sabi ni AI, ang kanyang product is Atomy Lip Glow. And then sabi niya, love your look, host a beauty demo session. Oh, yan ang recommendation ni AI sa atin today. Okay. And other products na nag-start sa L? May nagko-comment ba sa Facebook? If you are not participating, you're not having fun. Ako lang. We have the live scenario. Okay, nabibili yung live scenario sa ating website. 10 pieces each pack. We also have the lash mascara. Okay, may brown, may dark brown, may black, may thin, may pampahaba, may pampakapal. We have the liquid laundry detergent. We have the lip glow or the Atomy lip glow. Of course, winter ngayon, we have the Atomy lip tint. No, Atomy lip treatment, sorry. And then we have latex glove, medium and large. 2 set na po yan. And then, lipstick. Sa Korea, ang daming different shade ng lipstick. They have the Adelica at iba-iba pa. Okay? So, ang daming products ni Atomy, no? Okay, next. DM Junie.
Letter F. F.
F.
Fabric softener. Yeah. I really like the fabric softener because, after cleaning the bathroom with the liquid detergent, this one really smells good, I use this in cleaning the bathroom and then finish it with a fabric softener. Splash the fabric softener on the bathroom. And it smells really fresh. It lasts all day. And it doesn't have this very strong perfume or strong scents like the commercial available cleaning what that you can buy. And of course, it's made by naturally liquid, made of nature friendly as well.
Thank you, DM Junie. Ayan. F. Okay. Napakagandang F. Lahat fresh. Okay. So, sa mga, for your household, sa mga hindi pa po member ni Atomy, Atomy is free. Ayan ang F natin kay Atomy. Atomy is free. Libre po. Wala po talagang puhunan na kailangang ilagay o para maging member ni Atomy. Okay. And then, once you're a member, you just have to follow your faith. Follow the faith. Part ng ating company motto. Initially, it's hard to do this as a business, but once you know Atomy, it would be easy. Just follow the faith and believe na magiging successful and imperial masters kayo in the future. And of course, for the leaders, I would encourage you to follow up and follow through. Ayan. Okay. So, kasi hindi pwede na shineran mo ngayon and then in the future, wala na, kinalimutan na. Isang beses lang sinabi. So make sure we follow up and we follow through. Other products that we have in Atomy Online Shopping Mall, we have Fame Set. The Fame Set. We have the fabric detergent, fabric softener. We have Fruit Bites, We have the hazelnut and the date and cocoa flavor. We have the Fine Zyme. Ayan. Out of stock ngayon. Pero napakaganda po ng Fine Zyme. And of course, we have the foam cleanser. So kung naghihilamos po kayo, of course, we have that product in Atomy. And it's called Foam Cleanser. Na I think sobrang tipid. Naglalast ng 4 to 6 months. And sabi ni AI for letter F, let's see, EFG. Oh, Atomy Fermented Noni Concentrate. Yun ang recommended product niya for F. And he says, focus on health, start a 30-day Noni challenge. Diba? Napakaganda. Okay. Who else would like to share? SM Sandra, are you available to choose your letter? So kung may F, i-cross na.
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead, SM Sandra. Anong
Yeah.
letter?
Hello, good evening, everyone. So, ang favorite ko is letter S, Sandra. S. Yan. Isa sa mga favorite product ko ngayon, itong spirulina. Dahil naging favorite din siya ng mga kids ko. Kasi especially minsan sa morning, wala silang ganang kumain, and then papasok sa school. So sila na mismo yung naghihingi sa akin, mami, pahingi ako ng spirulina. Dahil pagka uminom daw sila ng spirulina, hindi sila nagugutom sa school. So it's very safe naman ito ating spirulina i-take ng mga kids at saka rich in protein at saka in an antioxidants at saka nakakatulong din siya sa immune system natin. And then lately na-discover ko napaganda pala niyang facial mask. So minimix ko siya with our peel of mask. So ang ganda ng lifting effect niya kasi ma-pimples din ako, so every time na nagkakaroon ako ng pimples, so nilalagay ko yung spirulina at saka yung itong ating peel of mask, nawawala yung pimples ko. So maganda talaga siya as anti-wrinkles. Yun. So it's one of my favorite spirulina. Thank you.
Thank you, SM Sandra. So, ayan. So, kung meron kayong letter S, spirulina, you can cross it out. May letter S din ako. And then, other products na nagsisimula sa S, actually, ang dami-dami sa ating online shopping mall. We have Saeng Mudan Hair Tonics, yung pampatubo, no? Ako ginagamit ko rin. Ang taas na ng hairline ko. We have Synergy Ampule. We have Silk Protein Hair Essence. We have Sunstick. We have Sunstick Derma Real Sika. We have sheet laundry detergent. We have shopping bag in white, in blue. We have the plastic shopping bag. We have the sandwich laver. We have Sephora Queen. We have Palmetto. We have scalp care sets, scalp care shampoo, scalp care conditioner. And then we have sunscreen. We have sunscreen beige. We have sunscreen white. We have scrubber. We have stainless scrubber. Dapat lahat ng household naka-Atomy sponge scrubber at saka stainless scrubber kasi antimicrobial. Napakaganda ng kalidad. And of course, we have the Spanish leaflet. Ayan, nabubulol na si DM Raylan. May na-miss ba ako sa letter S na product? Baka may bagong labas na hindi ko pa naisusulat sa aking kodigo. Okay, so letter S. Ano bang sabi ko dati? We have to start with no capital. Napakaganda business for the new members, newcomers. We could truly start doing this business without a capital. And of course, you should set as a goal semi-sales mastership. This 2025 would be our last opportunity to do this 24 more times, and then we can extend it another year kung hindi nyo na-reach yung at least minimum of 12. Okay? So magkano ba ang income ng semi-sales master? Nasa $400 to $500 every 15 days if you're decided or decidido kayo na gawin ito as a business. Or set a sales master as your initial goal. Okay? And for the leaders, I would say continue to serve with humility. Yun yung S. And then sabi ni AI, ang kanyang product is Atomy Sunscreen. And then sa kanyang action, ang recommended niya is share your daily essentials. Show how Atomy protects your skin. So yan ang sabi ni AI. O, diba si AI magaling din sumagot. Okay, may straight line na ba kayo? Cross your letters if you have it. Kung hindi pa puno, we have to finish Hindi, wala pang siyam na letters. Okay. So next, nakaikot na tayo ng isa. Next letter. Ito na ang chance mo, SM Bilen, para makakuha ng isa pang letter. Another letter, SM Bilen. May product ka pang gusto or letter na gusto?
Actually, may straight line na ako. Tapos, kung akong pipili, I have another. I send sa Marinduque yung aking yung aking letters. I have S, H, and E. My first straight line.
Okay.
And then, my another line is C, H, L. H and L also done. So, I will do my favorite product na C. Ano nga ba yung C?
Thank you sa C. May C ako.
Calcium! Anyway, yung calcium natin, napakaganda talaga din ang ating calcium. Dahil ako po kasi ay mayroon, nung bata pa ako, sabi nila mayroon daw akong dextroscoliosis. Kaya medyo mahina po talaga yung bones ko. Kaya, ayun, I'm taking calcium. At simula nung nag-take ako ng calcium, nakita ko rin yung changes ng color kahit sa mga kuko ko. It is more healthy. Yun. Pero, inuubos ko lang yung calcium ko ngayon. I want to try yung bagong variant ng calcium dito sa Singapore. Yung parang calcium mag, yung may magnesium na siya. So, yun. Yun lang. So, I have two straight line na. All my 5 letters na na-select na kaagad.
Okay.
DM.
Thank you, SM Bilen. Ayan. Sa mga may letter C, you can cross it out. Ayan. Calcium. I think I need to buy calcium out of stock na ako. Lalo sa mga nagkakaedad, kailangan po ng calcium. And yes, SM Milan, maganda yung may combination ng magnesium kasi right proportion na siya. Okay, so letter C, kung hindi nyo pa po natatry si Atomy, of course, in your household, sa inyong tahanan, sa inyong bahay, you just have to change your store and change your brand. Siyempre, kay Atomy kayo magsha-shopping. And then, if you are decided to do this as a business, you have to really change your mindset. Okay? And if you're the true leader in Atomy who want to be successful in doing this as a business, you have to cherish the spirit. Okay? So don't look the other person with a dollar sign in their forehead. Truly cherish that spirit. So ano pang ibang products na nag-start sa C? We have curling essence. Ayan, yung cream na nilalagay sa buhok sa mga may curly hair before nila i-curl yung hair. Yan, meron tayo niyan sa Atomy. We have the cream mist. Ito yung i-share ko sana na product. Cream mist. Ayan, nakikita nyo ba ako? Yung cream mist naman, instant hydration. So, kung hindi masyadong dry, rose rain mist, cream mist, and then we have the oil mist. And then, ang isa pa is, of course, Cafe Arabica, yung 50. And then we have the Cafe Arabica Black. We have the Cafe Arabica 200 sticks. And then we have the Cafe Arabica Zero Sugar. Napakadami, no? And then, of course, we have the Color Food Vitamin C. So, yan yung mga letter C. And then, si AI, anong participation ni AI? Ang kanyang product is Atomy Cafe Arabica. And sabi niya sa kanyang action to take in doing Atomy, connect with prospects, invite them for coffee, and conversation. Ayan, simpleng kape. Pero yung iba, libre na nga ang kape, ayaw pa rin nila. But never give up, okay? Meron pa rin mahilig sa kape. Coffee is life. Ayan. Okay. Cross it out kung tapos na inyong letter C. Okay. Next letter, DM Junie. Another letter, please.
Toothpaste. T. T.
T. Toothpaste. Bakit gusto mo ang ating toothpaste?
Hindi siya manghang. Tsaka nakakatanggal ng bad breath.
Okay, thank you, DM Junie. Ayan. So, alam nyo ba, it took me 1 year bago ko binili yung toothpaste na yan. Kasi wala nagsabi sa akin na maganda yung toothpaste. Narinig ko lang siya in a Zoom meeting na sabi nila, alam nyo ba, kahit nakamask kayo ng maghapon, hindi nyo maaamoy yung hininga nyo. And true enough, after using this Atomy toothpaste, hindi na kami bumalik sa old brand, yung brand C. Kasi yung toothpaste napakaganda. So kung dati 3 times a day ka nagtutoothbrush kasi pag nagbaon ka ng tanghali, magtutoothbrush ka pa rin sa opisina or sa trabaho. With the Atomy toothpaste, I'll do the magtutoothbrush ako in the morning and then pag uwi na. So kahit nagkape ako ng tanghali, kahit kumain ako ng isda or salmon, o kahit malansa yung kinain ko sa tanghali, hindi ko po naaamoy yung hininga ko, even if I put my mask on. So, I'm truly grateful sa ating toothpaste. Napakaganda. It's anti-infective, anti-inflammatory, and then plant-based kasi meron lang siyang propolis extract, yung coating dun sa beehive. And then, of course, yung ating green tea. Ayan. Okay. So, letter T. Teka, tingnan natin ang T. Ano bang sabi ng ating slide sa letter T? OPQRST. Okay. T. Ang definition niya is, it transcends through time and space. Kasi ang Atomy, laging 24 hours na online. Kahit natutulog ka, yung kabilang parte ng mundo, pwedeng bumili ng product. Okay? And then with you, just believe that the company is trustworthy. This is a product that you can use and trust. And then, of course, for the leaders, teamwork. You have to believe in doing teamwork. And then, of course, ang sabi ni AI sa letter T, Atomy toothbrush. You have to pair your toothpaste with a toothbrush. And then, ang kanyang action is talk about quality. Demonstrate the soft yet effective bristles. Napakaganda nga naman ng toothbrush natin kasi very fine. It could go all the way back. Mas madali lang. And then, self-cleaning kasi antimicrobial. Okay. Other products na nag-start sa T, we have the Fame set, the Fame travel kit, we have the toothpaste, the toothbrush, the travel cleansing kit, and then the Tri-Active Calcium. Okay, so yun yung mga products.
Tea, green tea and poor tea.
Oh, you're right. Okay, let me write it down. Tea. Tea. Para hindi ko makalimutan. Tea, pure tea. Baka kasi next year ko na ulit ito. At saka meron tayong green tea. Hindi ko pa, wala yan sa dito.
Poor tea.
Pure tea. Okay. Okay. Next. Oh, may nakabuo na ba ng 9 na boxes? Wala pa? Okay. So, ano bang isi-share ko? Nakalimutan ko anong products. So, sa lahat kasi ng products. I'll do the A, okay? I'll do the A. Lahat kasi lahat may A's. Lagyan mo lang ng Atomy lahat ng products pasok kay Atomy. Oh, madaya si DM Raylan, no?
Wait, bakit 9? I thought 5 lang. 9 bang letters na ilalagay?
Yes,
Hindi ako
9.
nakikinig.
Random 9 letters. Hindi
Ginaya ko yung 5 mo eh. Kaya sabi ko tapos na ako.
sige. At least you 9 random letters. Ayan. Okay. I'll do the A. Ano ba yung A? Okay. Lahat ng products may Atomy. Pasok yun. But I'll say the Atomy Absolute Skincare Set. Okay? Kasi dati, actually, namahalan din ako kay Atomy Absolute Skincare Set. Pero ngayon ginagamit ko na siya. Na talagang ginagamit ko siya on a daily basis. Of course, I love the product. Talagang makikita mo na kumpara sa picture ko from 2020 up to this time, talagang nagbago yung skincare ko. Paired with evening care set, napakaganda talaga. And then I started sharing it to my friends. Talagang sinasabi nila yung blue ampule, sabi niya, ito talaga maganda. And I do believe that kasi parang botox in a bottle yung blue. And then kumpara mo sa branded, sa mga high-end products, sobrang mura ng Atomy. Kaya solve ka na. Even just the eye cream, yung volume niya na nakalagay dun sa eye cream, times 3 na kaagad sa volume. And then yung presyo halos pareho lang. And then, absolute quality, absolute price, anti-aging, and then de-aging. Literally, it would stop the clock sa inyong face. So kung 48 ka ngayon, minus 10 in the next 10 years, you would remain looking 38. O, diba? So, makikita nyo yan. And then, sa mga testimonies, makikita nyo yung mga old pictures ng mga leaders. Kahit sa ibang countries, kung dati ang dami nilang sumpa sa mukha, ayan, kumikinis na sila. And then nagkakaroon na sila ng glass skin look. So yan yung goal ko this 2025. Glass skin look with Atomy. Kailangan ko lang talagang sipagan na gamitin si Atomy kasi kapag hindi consistent, ayan, hindi rin effective. But make sure you have the right cleansing routine. Okay, so letter A. Ano ba yung una? Within your household, make sure you assess your household needs for the daily necessities, okay? So kung ngayon, expenses po yan, you can actually convert it into income within your household, sa kusina, sa banyo, sa inyong living room, sa inyong vanity, sobra. Lahat ng products na makikita sa Atomy, pang araw-araw po na ginagamit. And then ask yourself why you have to do Atomy. Okay? Ask yourself why. Okay? So, kung malaki yung why mo, madali na lang yung how eh. Parang it would follow. So, if my why in the beginning is, I want to retire early, then that would be my why. If I said, I'm doing this for my family, that is my big why. So, at least with your big why, at kung alam mo talaga, no one would stop you. Kahit na anong mangyari, kahit na may mga pagsubok, may mga hurdles, may mga challenges, you would keep doing it kasi napakalaki ng why mo and gusto mong matupad yung why mo. And then for the leaders, or gustong lumaki yung grupo, you always have to take action. Act now because Atomy will always be the answer. Whether it's health, whether it's beauty, whether it's balanced life, or yung financial time freedom at saka financial wealth, lahat yan. Atomy is the answer. So you just have to take action, believe, and then follow the faith. So yun yung A. And then si AI, ano ba sinabi ni AI? Atomy Absolute Skincare Set. O, pareho kami ha. And then ang sabi niya, aim for absolute success. Set your business goals. So, nasa 8 steps din natin yun, no? Set your goal. Kasi without you setting your goal, walang mangyayari. And then other products na nag-start sa A. Ano-ano nga ba? You can comment guys if you're watching. Yeah, favorite ko, Edam Cleanser. We have apple pinon jelly sa mga gustong magpa-slim. We have absolute skincare set, absolute toner, absolute ampule, absolute serum, lotion, eye complex, and nutrition cream. We have the AC Expert System sa mga prone po sa pimples. And then we have the Avocare 100% extra virgin avocado oil. We have the Absolute Spot Out Cream sa mga may melasma, Absolute Spot Out Essence. We have the Absolute Shampoo, Absolute Conditioner, Absolute Treatment. We also have the Absolute Hair Care Set. So, pwedeng bilhin isa-isa and then you can buy it as a set as well. And then we have the Alaska E Omega 3. Okay, so wag mag-take ng Tylenol or ng acetaminophen. Kung may headache, you can just take Alaska E Omega 3. Okay. We are running out of time, so congratulations sa mga nakabuo ng 9 or nakabuo ng X, kagaya ni SM Vilen. We'll do this again in the future about all the products that we have in the online shopping mall. Oh, okay. Royal Master Yusuk Song camera is on. Are you available to share any products or any letters you like, Royal Master Sue?
Yes. Good morning, good evening. I'm Isuk-san in Charlotte, North Carolina. Yeah, A. Everything include A word because F's. Atomy product. And we have many daily supply, daily necessary product. The toothbrush, toothpaste, anything, the Atomy brand, absolutely different. That's why it's all include A word, Atomy product. I'm crazy about this product. That's why I'm starting this business. First time I'm starting from the product. I try all products. I'm falling in love. That's why I'm staying in system. I'm starting this business because product. When I start this business, I don't know what is this marketing plan, who is the CEO, or how to make money. I don't know. Just the interesting product. So product is very important. So we are all consumer. Oh, if we're not buying this Atomy website, we have to go Amazon.com, we have to go eBay or Walmart, Sam's Club instead of this website. Just simple. We have to try all product Atomy brand. If you do this business, you have to do. No matter what, using everything. If you're happy, you have to sharing. So my favorite, everything favorite, cosmetic, detergent, and noodle, and a daily supplement, hemohim, everything, like all my favorite. One of the very important my condition, a fine chyme, atomy fine chyme. I'm not good condition my stomach. My mom's side the gene is many stomach cancer that passed away, including my mom. So my gene is very weak. My stomach. I used to have a nurse. I have a own business. Sometimes eating a lot. Sometimes skip food. That's why my stomach is not happy. I have many problem and ulcer. Now, after take Hemoin Plus Fine I'm very stable. I can control how to do my stomach. So I'm thanks God I made Atomy. Thank you very much. Everything my favorite.
Thank you, Royal Master Yu Suk Song. Okay, she's the center head of the North Carolina Global Center, and the center head of the Atomy Atlanta Center is Star Master Teresa Ann. And she said letter T. Okay, since she is driving and she's not in Zoom, I'll do her choice. Although DM Junie already selected letter T earlier, I would say transcend through time and space. Atomy is trustworthy, and then we have to do teamwork in doing this as a business. Okay, and drive safe, Star Master Teresa Ann. Okay, and then one last letter from Star Master Joseph. Do you have another letter? And then we can close. Or do you have last message for for everyone before we close?
Yeah, which I just picked one of the thing that what the I bring it. Hong Samdan H. Somebody to already him with him, right?
Yeah, him is done. Yeah, Hong Sam Dam. Why you like Hong Sam Dam?
I just took sometimes just for the. I'm not took this one every day, but when I feeling like the energy level is down or something, just like what boys like catch like cold or some, I just took it and yeah, just for the yeah, like just like a what family traditional medicine kind of thing. I love it, really love it, and I taste it very good for me. Sometimes people say too bitter, but it's bitter. My taste is very good. I love it. That's why I took it. If like this one is like kind of a sugar, taste like sugar or something. I'm not, but this tastes like a bitter. That's why I took it. I love it. This one, and just for the, but you know what? We have it many absolute quality product and absolute price product. Just we learning every day. Just for the our business is very simple. Just for the buy for the your product in your shopping mall. Everybody have it. Just nothing different. Just for the Usuk Sang, me and Ralin and Junie and Bing and Sandra, and you know what, Belen have it. Everybody has same shopping mall. We use it product to from the shopping mall and they share to the people. That's for the business. Well, I'm really thankful for the Atomy for the give to the big opportunity. And also I know we just have it just somebody have it little, but somebody have a big, business, a group, but it will be eventually everybody same value. So thank you so much. Back to you, Relin. Thank you.
Thank you, Star Master Joseph. Ayan, napakaganda talaga ng lahat ng Atomy products sa ating online shopping mall. So, kung ngayon nyo pa lang po natitisod ang Atomy, please try the Atomy products. We have the absolute quality and absolute price. And all the Atomy products are not just for consumption. They are actually our tools for our success. So, if you're using it, it would be easier to share the products because you will love all the products that we have. And then it would be easy for you to educate others about the products and then about the Atomy. Okay, so anong letter ang nag-stood out sa inyo sa lahat? Okay, hindi natin natapos yung A to C. We have 26 letters in the alphabet. Of course, lahat yan meron tayong yung products. We'll do that again in the future. So anong product ang nag-stood out sa inyo? And then, sa lahat ng discussions natin today, anong action yung pwede nyong i-take from today forward? So just remember, it's easy to do the business in Atomy. It's easy to be Atomy. Start with riding the bus. Buy, use, and share. And then learn the bus and then drive your business. Drive the bus. Yan po ang palagi nating pag-aaralan. Umiikot ang ating tema sa ride the bus, learn the bus, and drive the bus. So that ends our presentation today. I hope to see you guys sa Zoom in the future. And we will end with a company motto para sa mga nanonood via Facebook Live. Ayan. Unmute your mic. Okay, company motto. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Yes.
Go.
Share the
Share
spirit.
the
Spirit.
spirit.
Create the vision.
The vision.
Follow the faith.
Follow the faith.
Serve in
Serve
humility.
in humility.
Adjust.
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 Okay. Salamat po sa lahat ng Facebook viewers. We will end the Facebook Live and we will continue our discussion via Zoom.